So I've a couple of wee runs, got a run there, just some blemishes here and there, but all in all it's not bad. That's the worst bit, you can't really see it anyway, but I'm going to give it a little sand down with that. I'm going to rinse it, get some water and just give it a light sanding. Right, back in a second. Just got to get the controls on, but that's them on, and then I can adjust the kind of position of them. I think they're going to come further back. I pretty much think they'll be wide enough. But I'll just pop the controls on and get back to you. These are the bar end weights that came with the Triumph, the standard ones, but they're too small. I've got these and they're really heavy, they might do. I mean, these bars I'm not expecting miracles because they're, you know, they're just an old set of bars, £10 they cost me. They're basically just been resurrected, they're not actually worth an awful lot. But having said that, if I can, to be honest, I've got a set of bars coming in the post, like a silver set. I want silver, and they're roughly the same width as the. Just get a nut and bolt. I just get a bolt and a lock nut. Not a lock nut, sorry. I just need a normal nut and a washer, same as that. So I've got all that here. I'm not even getting 20 miles before my hands are feeling the vibration really bad. So if I can get past 20 miles, I'm doing alright. Is that too big? Yeah. That's that one there. Get rid of these. So if I can get past 20 miles, I'll be happy. Do that one right. I'll go and show you the bars. So that's them on. Touch a wee bit up there. So let's see what steel bars are like. Go for a little run. Do 50 miles or something. Paint has come off. I expected that because there's not enough paint on these bars and haven't been left long enough to cure. But clean them what they were. Let's go for it. Sorry about the wind. I think these are a goer. Definitely. I've done 50 miles, exactly 50 miles. I went all the way around the houses to Lidl. Yeah, it was 50 miles, and by not even that, but before with those big wide black bars I was getting 10 miles. The only ones that I've got more than this, I had no vibration at the 50 miles, but the ones with the nuts and bolts in them, all the little nuts and the big high bars, the black bars, I got 70 miles and I was starting to get numb. I was getting numb before that actually. But I'll tell you the changes I've done. I've put the stock silencer on. Bought a stock silencer, got it cheap. Far better. I prefer them. More usable power, low down. There's no flat spots. It just works. The whole bike works right through the rev range. Well, that's changed. So it would have been, maybe that would have been something, but it wasn't, because the only thing I've actually changed to stop the vibration is put the steel bars on. It's the only thing I've done. I've had the weighted bar ends. I've had that wee brace across there. What else have I done? I've had the nuts and bolts and stuff inside the bars. Changed that silencer. The only thing I've done differently is steel bars, and I had absolutely no vibration. It was a lovely ride. 50 miles. I noticed if I was grabbing here, because I grab my throttle like that, I don't know how you grab it, but I grab my throttle like that, my hands are like there, and I was starting to feel vibration. Feel it coming through here. This is where it's soaking up, it's dampening it here. It's coming, seems to be getting dissipated here somewhere. But when this hand, no bother, I've got no vibration whatsoever. But here, I've got none either. But I can feel it a wee bit if I'm grabbing hold of this metal. I have to consciously put my hand forward a bit, which is a bit uncomfortable. These bars are definitely goers. I'm going to keep these ones. I might just cancel that order, see if they've been dispatched yet. If they haven't been dispatched, so I'll just cancel the order. Because I probably won't use them. Because the aluminium bars that are coming and the steel ones, absolutely, for me, so far, 50 miles and without any numbness, without any discomfort whatsoever, you know, that's progress. So I've bought some more paint, this metal paint with rust protection, because it's steel, going onto steel. I've just got this in the middle. So I'm going to redo them. I'm going to put the black bars back on. I leave these, it's got to leave this paint's got to be left for 48 hours. So I'll leave these as long as I possibly can. I'll spray them up and just don't touch them for 3 or 4 days. Maybe get them on at the end of the week, end of next week. Another small change is these levers. I think they're fantastic. It makes the clutch very, very light. It could be on 3. Adjustable span. These are from China, $14.99. Fabulous. I really, really like them. Made a big difference to the clutch. Because in the span it was unadjustable with the big Triumph clutch, and your hand was away out here. I mean, if you had wee hands, man, you were struggling with the Triumph. So you can adjust it right down to 1, maybe 2, 3 probably be okay, because you're getting the full pull of the clutch. Does that seem okay? You don't need an awful lot of play in the Triumph clutch. It's only just over half a mil is what you need. I mean, half a mil and 0.9 of a mil. So the brake lever's there as well. I've got it on 6 for quite wide span of hand. This needs to be repaired. It needs overhauled. Anyway, that's a different story. But I like them levers. $14.99 from China. Took a while to get here, a couple of weeks, but 10 days, couple of weeks. But well worth it. Fantastic. So far so good with the handlebar vibration. Steel bars. Brilliant. Just got to get used to the width of them. They are skinnier, but they're the actual width of a normal set of bars. I'm just used to the wide ones. Yeah, steel bars seems to be okay. I'll give it another week or so. I'll get them sprayed up. I'll get back to you on this, but I would say I'm happy. So it's something that has been resolved as far as I'm concerned. A wee bit more testing, a good long run I need. Maybe go up to Ayr or something, maybe a good 100 or 200 mile run. See how I get on then. Okay, thanks for watching.